want to let you all into one of Fairchild's most sacred plant collections, but it's actually not outside in the garden. It's here in our herbarium, and here we have over 200,000 plant specimens. An herbarium is where universities, natural history museums, and gardens keep records of dried plants. So let me show you what we have in our collection. We have a focus of plants or flora from Florida, the Caribbean, and cultivated plants of the tropics. Maintaining our herbarium is super critical to the research we do here at Fairchild. We organize our specimens by family, genus, species, and we even color code them so we know where they came from. And all of these carefully maintained sheets give us so much information about plants, and we can find out what it looked like, where it came from, and we can even use them as samples for genetic testing. Just as we do with our outdoor collections, we need to protect our indoor collections from weather, fire, and insects. How do we keep these specimens safe over time? Our diligent team members use acid-free paper, adhesive, and metal storage units to keep these records intact over time. Each specimen has a label identifying the plant, including where it was found, on which date, and who collected it. Without this information, these records would be unusable. Detailed record keeping is so important so we can keep track of our specimens and who uses them. We work with local universities and even the USDA to save plants for scientific reference and research. Plants have been on Earth for a really long time, and some of the oldest specimens in other herbaria are reaching their 500th birthday. One of the oldest records here dates to the early 1800s. Imagine what the world looked like then. About half of our collection can be found on our online database for access anytime. When going around the world or even traveling back in time is not feasible, preserved plants can provide scientists with invaluable information. Around the world, there are more than 3,240 herbaria in 165 countries. And together, these collections represent all of the known plant diversity on Earth. No big deal. So the next time you press a bouquet of flowers, think about how you are preserving plant species. Our herbarium here has protected thousands of plant specimens in dry storage, and the work is always ongoing.